Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking about ironwood.
Ironwood is one of the densest woods in North America, and unlike maple, walnut, and all of the other hardwoods that you see a lot, this one doesn't need to be stabilized to be a good handle material. It's naturally very dense and oily, which makes it an ideal choice for knife and tool handles. Ironwood comes with a wide variety of different figures, from light colors to dark streaks running through light colors. It's got it all, and we have these blocks available. In order to be able to keep the cost down, we have a stock size of 1 inch by 1 3/4 by 5 inches. And when you order, you're not going to get a specific color, but what you will get is a nice, stable, uncracked block in one of these color varieties. And all of the figures that we're supplying are something that I would be happy to use in any of my knife handles. Ironwood, no matter the figure, if you get it up to a nice high polish, the light plays off of it in a really unique and very cool way, where even something that looks like it might be kind of a bland looking piece of wood, where it doesn't have crazy figure running through it, when you polish it up, the light plays with it and bounces off of it and makes it move in a really, really unique way that makes it one of my favorite handle materials to use. We have it available in both 1 block, or you get a bulk discount for 5 blocks, which if you're making a lot of handles, probably worth it for you.
Ironwood doesn't smell the absolute best when you're working with it. Kind of smells like you're burning diapers, but it finishes out really easily and it looks really, really amazing. I highly recommend that you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.